Hey guys, so if you got a grill that's really old and the inside parts are going bad, I'm gonna show you how to replace the inside parts so that you can keep using your grill. I have this grill right here, which actually is a really handsome grill, but all of my inside parts had gone bad. I'm gonna show you the parts that I stripped out. These tubes had all fallen apart. So let me show you how easy it is to replace. What you're gonna do is, this is a Char-broil grill, and on the back of it, back there, there's gonna be a sticker with your model number. You're gonna go on Amazon and do a search for that model number followed by parts replacement. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna find a kit that includes these things that sit out the top, okay? And it's also gonna come with these tubes and these channels. It's also gonna come with, let me just get this stuff out of here for you. It's also gonna come with some new igniters, okay? The igniters sit underneath right here. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift these and pull them out, the old ones, and you're gonna replace them with the new ones, okay? And you're gonna attach these channels the same way that the old ones were attached, okay? And then you're gonna go underneath here, and you see these little wires right here? They're gonna connect into your ignition switch, okay? It really is very easy, but I wanted to make sure everybody knew that this is not a task that you need to have deep instructions for. You just take the old ones out and put the new ones in the same way. I mean, it's not rocket surgery, as they say. It took me a grand total of maybe 10 minutes to get to this point. Now, you are gonna get dirty, so just anticipate that you need to be wearing some junk clothes. But after it's all done, turn on the gas, hit the igniter, and boom, I've got a flame down there that is just as good as it's ever been. And just to show you how clean it is, let's say I decide I want to turn this one on and hit the igniter. Boom. I mean, I got a brand new grill at this point, and it cost me all of, I think, $23 for this whole parts list on Amazon. Again, it's gonna come with these tubes that degrade, the channels that run between the tubes, and then these covers, all of which break down and go bad over time. It's a 10-minute fix. Just get it done. You don't need to replace the grill. If you like this video, give me a like and a subscribe. Have a good day, guys.